How's it going, everyone? Let's try this again. This is the second time trying to make this video. All right, this video will be for the entry into the 2023 small scale group build, guys. It's hosted by Brian, BG Model Works. Y'all, everybody knows BG, Mr. Brian, and myself. This will be the second annual. Let's see, we started this last year. We had over 100 and something contestants entries last year in the small scale group build. But before I get to the rules and everything, let me thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around. Guys, subscribing is free. I will never ask you for a dime, PayPal, Patreon, none of that. This is not my channel. I just ask you to support everyone in the community. All right, guys, with that being said, all right, what you see before you is just a variety that I threw up there. You know, you don't have to build any of these. You build whatever you want. The only rules is it cannot be anything like planes, helicopters, ships, boats, tanks, anything with tracks. It can be, you know, you military guys that want in on this, you can do a Kuba wagon, a Jeep, a swimmer wagon, you know, a truck, you know, as long as it's got wheels. Motorcycle, yeah, you can do motorcycles just as long as it's a small scale motorcycle. It has to be 1/35th or smaller. It could be 1/35th or 1/32nd. I'm sorry, 1/32nd or smaller. 132, 135, 148, 143, 176, 150 something, whatever it is, and 164. That's the only rules. Just keep it automotive and keep it small scale. It can be a diesel truck. It can be a NASCAR. It can be a foreign car. It can be whatever you want, just as long as it's automotive related. All right. Our group build was so huge last year. A lot of people asked, we're going to do it again this year. Yes, we are. And y'all go check BG out. He will have rules and everything on his. Y'all check it out. His description will be below, and anybody I mention in this will be below. All right, so what we have here, and like I said, you don't have to do anything on here. It's just what I threw up there. This ain't all I got. I got hundreds of small-scale kits. That's why Mr. BG, Brian, asked me to do this with him last year, because he knows I love my small-scale kits. And as you can see, I got a variety of them, and this ain't it. I'm telling you, I got hundreds of them. I love my small-scale kits. And, you know, if I'd had my act together, I could have showed you some of my built ones, maybe in another video. All right, guys, so let me just kind of give you an idea. It could be 1/43rd. Look at this. That's a vintage AMT Corvette, 1/30 or 43rd. Same thing here. You know, you got the little AMX. I mean, it can be anything. It can be a vintage IMC Plymouth Grand National. That looks like a 65 Plymouth, somewhere around in there. It can be that. It can be the new Atlantis, which was the old Revell tooling. It could be the vintage Revell 69 Nova. You got your 71 Pontiac Firebird. You got the funny cars. Looky here. All the Atlantis funny cars come out that used to be the old monogram kits. Charlie Mack. It could be a 1907 Renault Highway Pioneers. Awesome kit. Dan the Man. It could be a Pyro kit, 1/32 scale. It could be a 34 Plymouth. It could be a Imperial. Keith's Models and RCs. Give me this right here. Aston Martin DB9 or DBR9. Russell Motor Cars built that. He did a great job on it too. It could be a Packard Victoria from a Matchbox, you know. It could be this 143rd AMT diesel truck. It's a Kenworth. I mean, guys, the possibilities are endless. Shoot, we got a Formula One car. We got a Porsche. We got another Porsche. We got a Citroen, a Bugatti. I mean, endless possibilities. This here, it can be an Airfix kit. It could be, what is that? That's an Escort. It could be a Triumph Herald, a Vauxhall Viva. Very cool, huh? I tell you what, I'm torn between doing this Vauxhall Viva and opening the hood and resin cast. I got a resin cast engine to put in here that I made. I thought about doing that one. I got this 143rd diesel truck. Y'all want to see that? I don't build diesels, but you know, I'll do it in a smaller scale because I got room for it. Y'all tell me what you want me to build. I'll leave it below. And in the description below, y'all say whether you're in or not. I'll make a big list like I did last year. And another thing, guys, this group build is not only open to YouTubers, but subscribers as well. If you ain't got a YouTube channel, we had a lot of people last year that had not had YouTube channels. And some of them got them now, just because of that. So, if you want to be in on this group build, my email will be below. You email me, and all I ask for is the model you're going to start with, picture of it, say a progress picture in between, and then your final when you're done. And I will take your final pictures if you send them to me, and I will make a video just for y'all showing y'all's pictures or y'all's builds. That's what I did last year, and I'll keep it the same, guys. You can go to Brian's channel, and it will be below. Check out what he's got to say. I know he does the Facebook and all them grams, Insta, whatever. I don't do stuff like that. But I am sure it's open to all you guys too. So that's what I got to say about it. The rules are simple. 1/35th or smaller, or 1/32nd or smaller. No tanks, planes, helicopters, boats, ships, anything with tracks. Nada. It's got to be automotive related. It could be trucks, motorcycles. You know, possibilities are endless, guys. We'd love to have you again in this group build again this year. Like I said, last year we had over 100-something people, and people been texting, emailing, whatever. We're going to do it again this year. We sure are. And this is the start of it. You got 2 months to figure out what you want to get. Search the interwebs. If you ain't already got something, get you something found. Put a video out by February 1st to, what you got. It goes from February 1st to February 28th, the shortest month of the year for the smallest automobiles. So there you go, guys. I don't know how else to put it, but sure would appreciate you getting in on it. It is fun. Everybody that got in on it last year said they wanted to do it again. Well, here's your opportunity. Here's your chance. All right, guys. Peace out. Let me see if I can figure out how to turn this thing off.